Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the cabin on this wet, dreary, cold day. It's yeah, it's not the best weather, but that's all right. Today, I want to clean out the cabin. It's that time of year. So every year, just before winter, I tear everything out of the cabin. I clean it from one end to the other. I want it spick and span before winter. One last time. It's not the most glamorous task here, but it's got to be done. So I'm going to get that done, and then we are going to have a treat. When we're done cleaning out the cabin, we are going to eat like mainahs. We are going to have B&M baked beans. These are delicious. These are great beans. Made in Maine, of course, Portland, Maine. And you can't have B&M baked beans without B&M brown bread with raisins, canned bread. I showed this a few videos ago. I love this canned bread, man. It just, this stuff is delicious. And it goes great with those baked beans. Oh. I forgot the red hot dogs. How could I forget the red hot dogs? Okay, I'm going to have to improvise. Sorry I forgot the red hot dogs. But red hot dogs are a thing. And anyway, I meant to get them, and I don't know. I was looking at them. I don't know. I completely forgot, or I didn't pick them up or something. I don't know what happened. Anyway, I'm going to improvise on that. And of course, if you're going to eat like a mainah, you got to wash it down with Moxie. That's right, Moxie. You don't know what Moxie is? Well, it's a unique drink and absolutely wonderful. Originally developed by a fellow down in Union, Maine. I would imagine that everyone in New England knows what Moxie is. Outside of that, probably not. But we're going to wash it down with some Moxie. Yeah, I know this is not the most glamorous video in the world, but you know, in my videos, I try to show exactly what it's like here day to day, rather than just showing, you know, fancy new equipment every video or endlessly building new buildings and stuff like that. You know, I try to show what it's really like sometimes, and you know, sometimes this is what it's all about. You know, you got to keep the place clean. There's all kinds of chores that you have to do day to day that aren't that exciting. Whether it's, you know, mowing the lawn or, you know, cleaning out the cabin or picking big rocks off of the road so they don't get sucked up in the snowblower. Well, there's all kinds of chores like that, man, that got to get done. Or as I like to say, it ain't all beer and barbecue, but sometimes it is. Gonna need to start up the generator if I'm gonna run the shop back. Okay. Got my skulls cleaned up. This one here was from a big male bear. This one, the smaller one, is from a female bear. This guy was huge. This was a big bear. And this one, I say she was probably about 2 years old. Can anybody guess what this is from? Take a guess. Let me know in the comments below. Whew. Well, I'm done. Well, not exactly. I still have more to do, but I got most of it done. And I'm not going to lie to you, that was about as much fun as a toothache. But it had to be done. And I just got a little bit left. I'll finish it tomorrow. Getting late now and I'm starting to get hungry, so time to put on those beans. All right, I said I was going to have to improvise. So I'm going to improvise with bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon. Mmm. Mm. Oh, those are good. Cheers, guys. Oh, that's good too. Oh.
Tonight on the Dukes.
To the gentleman. You never let us down.
The boys remember the wreck.
And we gonna make us a silk purse out of ourselves here.
That started the whole thing.
It's General Lee. Oh, look, look. Come on,
All right, guys. Well, it's going to be a great night at the cabin. I mean, how can you beat beans, bacon, brown bread, and raisins? Mmm. And some Moxie. All right, guys. I got to end the video here. I'm going to watch the Duke boys and enjoy my beans. And listen, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. If you're new, subscribe. Hit the little bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos. Leave me some comments below. I love those comments, guys. Keep them coming. And we'll see you guys soon back here at the cabin.
Happy birthday.